Welcome back to the CLC Paint YouTube channel. I'm Chase Corrington, and let's see what we end up doing today. Last time, we started with bright red on the painting in the background there. I think this time we'll start with crimson, and we're going to use the 2-inch brush. I'm going to get a whole bunch of crimson in here, and hopefully the canvas has enough liquid white. So I'm going to leave area around the edges for blue, and we'll keep the crimson inside this area here. Move the table so it's not wiggling the camera. Dang, may not be wet enough. I'm going to grab some liquid white, quite a bit, and add it in up here so we get some more blending going on. There we go. Tap it in the brush, make sure it's distributed more so you don't get these huge spots like we did. Going across in X's or up and down, kind of varying the strokes. These circles. I want to get it a soft blend without any distinct big spots. This color's already a lot cooler than the bright red from the last painting. Alright, now let's go a little more. We'll do some down here, straight across to where the water's going to be. We can do some more. There's a lot of color going in this one. Darkest in the back and lighter at the bottom. Fix our angle there. Nice and soft. Across the sky. 2-inch brush is a lot funner. Alright, now get some phthalo blue. There's still some Prussian blue on the palette from last time. We're going to put the phthalo blue right on top of that. To show what that looks like real quick here. So this is a pile of crimson we're using. Here's the phthalo blue on top of the Prussian blue. It's pretty much drying. Prussian blue is quite a bit darker than the phthalo blue. It's fun to say phthalo blue. go, and that's so powerful it overtakes the crimson pretty easily. We'll see how much purple we end up getting. It'll be fun to find out. All right, now we're going to do this, the edges. Start up in this edge, and I think I'll stand up for this. It's so tall up here. 16 by 20 canvas, but on the vertical, tall. Oh, nice and soft. Color's so powerful, it goes so much further without half as much effort. Being a lot softer with the strokes without pushing so hard. And then push where you want the extra color. Yeah. There we go. Letting it kind of blend into the crimson there. Oh, this looks like there'll be a dark cloud there. Soften it up. Get some more blue. Put in some water. Start at the bottom. Actually, let's start up here. Angle the brush down to get underneath the easel down there. Fill in that bottom. There we go. A bit more color. Nice. Like how that blended. This is how you can really tell where the liquid white has been applied well and not well on the canvas. Certain areas like this will just smear perfectly, blending the color, and other areas will just remain grainy. It'll take way too much effort to actually get the color to go anywhere. Interesting colors happening in this one. Try to fill in some of this. There we go. All right. We'll come back to that brush. Let's grab ourselves fan brush. How dry is the white? Well, that's totally dry. What about that? It's pretty dry too. Wow. It's amazing how fast some of them dry. And then it's amazing how other ones will stay wet for weeks on end. Guessing just a different mixture of oil in the tube. Sometimes all the oil comes out without the paint. So I'm pulling through both sides of the fan brush here. I'm going to focus more on the corners because that's really what we use to shape the clouds here. All right. Let's have some fun. Maybe just spin it like, yeah. Wow, that happened. There we go. Now our brush has got a ton of purple mixing with the white. So I'll kind of put that to the side and go back through the white. All right. Maybe this is another one. All right, let's blend those and see what we're working with. Clean brush for this. And soft circles. Maybe we'll add some area to blend down here. Yeah. There we go. Circles at the bottom, all the way across, and we'll lift them. Not quite straight up. And the paint's so dry, it stays on there thick. Sometimes it smears too much and just come right across. Try not to fling the brush across the room. Lifting that, and the blues and the crimson, lavenders, purples, they all start to blend together. Now, to keep this brush from getting too colored, as you can see there, starting to get the color on it, I'll wipe it off on paper towel often. Get a couple of those. Just kind of like so, get that paint off of there. And then it's basically clean for blending again. Now, do we want more clouds or is that enough? I thought this was going to be a cloud down there, so maybe we'll do just that. All right, we'll make the dark part be the bottom of the cloud. Try to put the bright white up here at the top. There we go. And maybe there's something happening over here. Got crazy there for a second. Let's just use all this white up real fast. There we go. Oh, blue in the center. Fascinating. That'll have to be blended. Looks nice though. Put some white on top of that. Just a bit. Yeah, like that. Here we go. Got carried away. Do some blending here. Start with this one. Soft little circles. We'll fluff it, lift it. Wind's blowing. Soften it. Soften that out. And soften some of these guys up here. Forgot about them almost. There we go. Fluff, blend. If you get a hair, just grab it out. Don't go sticking your fingers all in there. That'll mess the clouds up worse. Put some blue on that one. All right, I like that. Oh. I'll just leave that. Dun, dun. Now, I think that's a real easy, simple way to make a soft sunset glow that's not too bright, with some clouds with action that's going on. That's now a composition that's open to leave us to go almost anywhere. But we'll see where we go next time.